Here come the hot stepper. I'm the lyrical gangster. Big up the crew in the area.
I've been killing vegetables again. Hey crazy crew, welcome back to another full day of eating. I've actually already made my breakfast because I just filmed a video for plant-based news. I made this smoothie, which I call the ultimate post-workout, muscle recovery, anti-inflammatory, world's best smoothie basically. So if you want to see how I made this and what I put in it, I'll leave the link to that video in the description box down below so you can go and check that out afterwards. But basically, just to break it down, in this smoothie, we have beetroot. Don't ask why, go and watch the video, you'll find out. So we've got beetroot, we've got bananas, frozen bananas, raspberries, hemp seeds, flax seeds, of course, lots of spinach, cinnamon, turmeric, black pepper, coconut water, and ginger. And also pineapple with the core, of course, as I explained last time, because most of the goodness is in the core. Bit of a strange mix, but trust me, I created this because it is a nutrient powerhouse bomb. I mean, it's bloody delicious as well, which is the most important thing. It's very sweet. Trust me, I wouldn't drink something just because it's healthy if it tastes like shit. Anyways, I'm gonna go down this smoothie and I'll see you at meal number 2. You guys are gonna be so proud of me. Still going strong with the meal prep. Already meal prep this morning. When I say meal prep, I mean Miles's version of meal prep, which is basically just putting sweet potatoes in the oven in the morning. But it's actually a huge thing for me. Like, it actually really works. I've talked about this before because I'm so busy sometimes. If I don't cook up a load of starches in the morning, such as sweet potatoes or quinoa or brown rice. Actually, I'm lying, I don't like rice, it wouldn't be rice. But if I don't cook up my potatoes in the morning, I just tend to avoid starches later in the day because I can't be bothered to cook them, and then I end up eating raw. Which, I mean, I can build very, very healthy, big, huge raw salads. But I mean, what is a dinner without sweet potatoes? And right now I'm absolutely addicted to them. This morning, I just chopped up some white flesh and some orange flesh, sweet potatoes into discs, roasted them in the oven, and they're all ready to build my lunch. So, also, just warning you now as well, I have got the most epic nut butter taste test coming up for you today. Really excited about the nut butters that I found this morning when I was out shopping. Also, I've got something pretty exciting to try for dinner, which I have been waiting ages to try, and finally I found it this morning. So yeah, anyway, let's build some lunch. Alright guys, so here's my lunch, which, to be honest, is a work of art. I'm quite proud of this. My food is not usually very presentable, but this. Of course, we need some liquid gold. Currently using my favorite tahini, which was from the last video. This one is just, I mean, it's the one that you don't even have to stir. It's just pourable gold goodness. Never get enough of this stuff. Ever, ever, ever. Actually, there was that one week when I got sick, which I'm incredibly ashamed about, when I couldn't stomach tahini, but on the regular, never happens. Do you know what? Why am I trying to make this all pretty? Why am I pretending that that's all I'm gonna put on? I may as well go in for the big drizzle right now. Just pour the whole stuff on. Yeah, baby. I'm so addicted to sweet potatoes right now, it's a joke. I can't remember the last day I didn't have sweet potatoes for either lunch or dinner. Probably months ago. And I've actually found these white flesh ones. The ones I was buying before, they were called white flesh, but the flesh inside seemed to be yellow. And I've actually found the proper white ones now. If you're in the UK, I found them in Sainsbury's, just in case you're wondering. I mean, this is just such a beautiful mess. I don't really want to disrupt it, but I'm going in. Nice to have something like radish, which is quite bitter and crunchy in contrast to the incredibly sweet potato. Speaking of sweet, I've also got more shredded beetroot here. I'm on a bit of a beetroot kick today. I'm probably going to be pissing purple for like the next 4 weeks, and apply to face. Alright guys, I'm going to go stuff this rainbow in my face, and I'll see you at dinner. Actually, that's a lie. I'll see you in about half an hour when I go nuts. Alright guys, it is about that time. It is about that time. So according to my friend Anna, who I keep mentioning in these videos, she is actually my official nut butter advisor and she's the nut butter queen. If you want to follow her on Instagram, I'll leave her link down below. But according to her, this is the best nut butter in the world. So we'll see about that. For all of my USA viewers, yeah, apparently this is a big thing in the States. I'm not gonna lie, it was very expensive. Found it in Marks and Spencer's. It's just roasted peanuts and salt. This one is cashew butter with little bits of peanuts, crunchy peanuts in it. I'm not gonna lie, this is not the healthiest nut butter. It's more of a dessert kind of one because it does have quite a bit of sugar added, but as long as it tastes good, I will be happy. All right, well, let's start with the one that is apparently the best peanut butter in the whole world. Have not churned this. Oh Jesus, look at that. That's pourable right from the go-ahead. I didn't even put this upside down. I'm gonna try all of these with celery today, so all right, in we go. Sideways. All right, this one is absolutely unbelievable. Texture, perfect. Flavor, perfect. Perfect balance of saltiness. This is a definite 10 out of 10. Definitely the best peanut butter I have ever tried so far. All right, let's go in for this special USA one. Apparently made with 100% peanuts from Virginia or something. I'm not sure if you can see, but the pieces of peanut in here are almost like whole peanuts. So this is gonna be a mega crunchy one. I'm going in. Only I would go out and spend £15 on nut butters. But to be honest, I eat all of these anyway and I enjoy every mouthful, so it's a good investment. Okay, this one is equally as delicious. Another clear 10 out of 10. Remember, I found this one in Marks and Spencer's, but I do believe that they sell this one in the States too. I don't know, let me know. Now let's go in for the junky one, which is very thick, like clay, as you can see. It's the cashew nut butter. I mean, cashew butter is naturally sweet anyway, in my opinion. And this one has sugar added, so kind of a dessert one. Still going in with some celery though, for damage limitations. This is the kind of one when you open the jar and it's just like crack, like the whole thing will just go down in one sitting. Proudly. Yep, I mean, I pretty much hit the jackpot today. All of these absolutely bloody delicious. Did not disappoint at all. 10 out of 10, 10 out of 10, 10 out of 10. If I had to pick a winner, I mean, it's a tough call between these two peanut butters, but I think just because of the texture, this one is the clear winner. Anyways, yep, would definitely recommend all three. And if any of you guys are wondering what I do with these after I've tested them, I mean, clearly I just eat them within the next few days. That goes without saying. Anyways, see you at dinner. I have picked up the new Wicked kitchen range from Tesco. Do you remember in my last What I Ate Today, I think it was, I was talking about how Tesco's have come out with this new amazing vegan range by Wicked Kitchen, and they didn't have it at my Tesco, but it's finally come. This is a sourdough pizza. So this is just a closer look at my pizza. Wood-fired sourdough topped with aubergine, otherwise known as eggplant, caper, caponata, and a pop of zingy salsa verde. And yeah, obviously, it goes without saying, I'm gonna whip up a huge green salad as well because it's not gonna fill me up. I like to eat huge quantities, I like it big. To be honest, I'm still thinking about that peanut butter, like I actually just wanna have that jar instead of dinner. I mean, I'm probably gonna end up eating the jar after dinner anyway, but at least let's get some greens in first. So here is my simple salad. We just got I put 3 heads of romaine in this, shredded carrots, raw red onion, essential in any salad for me. What else did I put in? Celery, another 3 tablespoons of hemp seeds. Gonna squeeze some lemon juice over this in a minute. And I wouldn't put it past me to put tahini on it as well. Alright guys, here is my vegan pizza from the Wicked Kitchen range in Tesco's. Also got black olives on it, which I didn't realise. I mean, look at that. Okay, that's a really good pizza. Pour on the gold stuff. I haven't got a fork nearby, I'm being lazy. But I do have a celery stalk. I feel like this needs a good drizzle as well. I'm gonna use this as a kitchen appliance. Gonna spice it up with a little bit of sriracha on this bit. The real test is to put salad on it. If you're in the UK, definitely try this pizza, guys. It's absolutely delicious. The base has got some kind of herbs in it. Don't know what it is, but it's really, really tasty. I don't know about you guys, but I can't do it. Can't eat a meal without greens. For example, as delicious as this pizza is, it just doesn't satisfy me unless I have a lot of water-rich, crunchy, fresh veg with every meal. Oh, also guys, I almost forgot. Still going strong with the Muppet socks. Today I'm wearing Beaker, just so you know. I swear at the end of each video I'm always in like a food coma, drowsy state. But it feels good though. Anyways, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Leave all of your comments and questions down below. Subscribe, become a member of the crazy crew. I love you all so much and I'll see you all very soon.
Satisfy my appetite with something spectacular.